about Backbase. Okay. Guys, first of all, welcome to Backbase. It's a pleasure host this meetup again here. Not this meetup is the first time, but also we are hosting so many meetups here. So I don't know what guys who said, but yeah, Backbase, it's omni-channel company responsible for delivery for build platforms for financial system, for financial area. And I don't know more. It means, I don't know. It's a nice place. I'm working here for 4 months. I'm moving from Brazil. So yes, come on. We have a lot of available positions for Java front-end developers, UX designers. So feel free to come on. There is Joanna here. You can talk with her about positions, and that's it. It's Backbase. Sorry, I don't have more to say. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So nice. Oh, that's always a problem. Start to do this. These first minutes are terrible for me, you know. I need no screen jump because I'm pretty anxious. So guys, just one thing before I start. How many developers we have here? Okay, everybody. How many designers, UX, UI? Good. And people who plays on the both side? Okay, nice. So because this topic will be basically about a JavaScript solution for the last project that I worked in Brazil. It's more about JavaScript, about performance. But yeah, I will show you some insights about UX, about numbers. So that's why I asked you, because probably you'll be frustrated if you just like about UX. Oh, sorry. But okay. I will talk today about front-end architecture for large-scale apps. This was the last talk that I gave in Brazil. Basically, this talk is about a project that I had the opportunity to work from the scratch, an e-commerce project, and I explain a little bit more about this project. Okay? And sorry, this is my second talk in English, so probably I will make mistakes. So yeah. But sorry for that, and I don't care anymore. Yeah. So, nice to meet you. I'm Gabriel. I'm from Brazil. I'm from the lovely city of Rio de Janeiro. Yeah, this hot and sunny place, like Amsterdam. That's why I'm living here. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. But my fiance is from south of Brazil, so yeah, Amsterdam and south of Brazil is the same thing, so it's okay for us. But okay, yeah, so I have been working as a full stack developer in Brazil for the last 10 years. And yeah, working with PHP and Ruby, okay, Ruby on Rails. And for the last 3 or 4 years, I've been working more with JavaScript and Node.js because it's awesome. It's the best explanation. And yes, all my life I worked in companies which had, of course, a nice environment, nice guys working together, but mainly with huge projects. It means project with a lot of access. I mean, 4 million page views per day, 10 million page views per day. I think you have a lot of examples like that here in Europe, like BBC, The Guardian. Yeah, we have the same thing in Brazil. Brazil is a huge country with more than 200 million people. So our portals, new portals there are really huge. So yeah, I'm a fanatic guy about performance, about how to improve content, how to deliver content on demand for the clients. Since you have so many problems in Brazil with 3G connections, with this kind of stuff. Okay, yeah, you see this. So I'm working here at Backbase. I moved from Brazil 4 months ago, so I'm a fresh meat in the Netherlands. It's an awesome place. I will never go back to Brazil. Yeah, I know there is this beach, it's sandy, but no way, here it's fucking better. So, nice. As I told you before, this talk, it's gonna be about this project, okay? Basically, it is an e-commerce project that I had the opportunity to work from the scratch. I will show some numbers to try explain a little bit better how big was this project, okay? And which kind of project was this? So let's go. So basically, behind this e-commerce project, we have a company called Arezzo. This is the biggest company in South America. The biggest company, the shoes company in South America. Okay? They are in the Brazilian market for more than 40 years. In Brazil, they have more than 1,000 stores. Last year, they earned more than 1 billion euros, basically selling more than 12 million items like bags and shoes. So yeah, it's really a huge company in Brazil, a huge company in America. So that's why I have this talk, and so many guys that are working together in Brazil has different talks about different parts of this project. Okay, so one interesting point about this project is until this project to be completely done and delivered for our customers, they didn't have an e-commerce platform. So this was the first time that they started to sell products on internet. Okay, before it was just on this 1,000 stores. Okay, to working with this project, the team, the IT guys, accepted to deal with some challenges. Some horrible challenges, I have to be honest, but yeah. First of all, we have expectation for more than 5 million page views a month. It's something big. Not so big as 40 million, but yeah, it's 5 million, it's okay. Currently, they have more than 10 million page views a month. So, yeah. Since you have a lot of different customers around Brazil, we didn't know if they were using Internet Explorer 8, Safari, Chrome. So yeah, we had to support all the browsers like Internet Explorer 8 and 9. Yeah, so we couldn't manage the situation. The most important part, since our mobile app wouldn't be released together with our desktop platform, we had to deliver something a mobile-friendly application. But it's not just about responsiveness, because yeah, 3G in Brazil, it's a piece of shit. I don't know who here already visited Brazil, but if you go there, never try use the Skype doing a video conference. It will not work. So yeah, we have this kind of problem in Brazil. So build a solution. To build a solution to deliver it for mobile, it's really complicated when you have these problems with connection. So yeah, we couldn't just hide and show elements in our DOM and our page. We should think in a way to deliver it a really light platform, a really light version of this site for mobile. Okay? And the last but not the least, interface loading time, 1 second. Okay, it doesn't mean that we should render all page in 1 second. Okay, it's really complicated to do, but it means that we should render all critical path, all visible area on the screen in 1 or less than 1 second. Okay, yeah, and we did it. Nice. So, what we did to achieve this challenge? Probably you know these words and more words like, yeah, virtual DOM, optimization, AMD, minify, uglify. Yeah, also we have lazy load on the back end, on the front end, on CDN. Yeah, we have so many solutions. We have so many strategies to deliver a content, to build an application light, So that's why I told you before, guys. that this platform, this system was built for an incredible team with people from ICT, from back-end, from database, from front-end, UX. All of them had to think together and how to deliver something really light for our customers. Okay? So, nice. But today, I will show you some ways that we found to deliver content on demand, to improve the connection for our customers. Okay? Yeah. So, how we did it? Basically, we deal with Require.js. Yes, I know there are Column.js, Browserify. You could use Webpack also, but okay. After you can ask more why I use this or that. But basically, because we knew more about Require.js, and we could go further with the tool, and that's why we chose this. Same thing about our stack. We use it backbone with React, and for the backend Java with Spring MVC. Oh, this was our knowledge. Okay, nice. So the first step I will show you right now. Some strategies that we thought to deliver this content on demand. Okay. So first thing, you can see now on the screen a page, okay, from a cart page from our platform, and in this cart page basically is the page that you can you go further to finish your order, okay. And if you take a look here, you see that I set a class called cart, yeah, because this is the cart page. So this was the first thing that we did to deliver the content automatically on demand, and you understand why. Okay, cart page, cart class on body tag. Products detail page, products detail class on body tag. Okay? Then, we created this file, this object, config map, with three simple and basic properties. Okay? We have here the module, it's Require.js. Okay, basically. Just this was our implementation. So we have the module called cart. We have body class with the same name that we defined using our Java solution. And also we have this path, this module path pointing to this arz-cart.min. Okay? Yeah, of course, you can see this is this file is on this folder because obviously we are using a task runner like Grunt or Gulp, it doesn't matter, to get all these files and create just one concatenate minified file. Okay, this is the distribution version. Okay, but now if I have this class on my body tag, and if I have this name and my config map, my object, I can do something. I can use programming, I can use JavaScript, I can use Java, doesn't matter, to compare. If I have this class and this name, this object, in both sides, I can load automatically a module, a bundle, doesn't matter. So this is the principle, you know, the most simple thing to do using Require as your friend. Okay? So this is the first solution. Just one thing, all this code are on GitHub, so you can go there, you can increase. And this is not the last version. This is just one example, simple example to understand. So basically here I'm running the object, I'm running the DOM, and oh, there is a body class. Yes. So nice. There is an object called with the same body class, with the same name. Yes, there is. So if we have in both sides, basically, automatically you require it. You require this module. You load this module using Require.js, and that's it. It's quite simple to do. And of course, if they are different, so go ahead, get out from this for, this if. Quite simple, right? It's really simple to do, really simple to implement. But sure, we need more. We had some different situations, different behaviors that we have to manage to handle in our platform. So, just 1 minute, guys. This is the time that I... Oh. You know, one of the worst thing that when we are talking in your non-native language, you cannot do, jokes, because I don't know how to do this. I just know how to do this in Portuguese. So, sorry. It was so funny in Portuguese doing, different things. Yeah. So yeah, this is one different situation that we have to manage it in our platform. So I showed you before just a required way to load JavaScript. Okay, there is nothing special. Okay, and now I have another situation. And the whole application will have these components. Yeah, they are components. Okay, because we are using reactive backbone. So yeah. So I have JavaScript for that side. I have JavaScript here on the mini cart, that small bag over there. Okay, and I need load every time these JavaScripts, these modules. So what should I do? Yeah, there is one way, simple way, and also we have this code on GitHub, and also we are using this. We could do another loop inside our loop to load more than one module. It's okay. So you could put cart and in your body class, cart, header, and footer, and anyway. But yeah, but if you do this every time, it does not make sense. You should do something more elegant. Remove this header and footer for this part of the code. Okay, and how we could do this? It's quite simple to do. So let's go. Again, to our config map file. In this object, now you can see that I created 3 different modules. Okay, I have the footer module, header, and general. But all of them, I am pointing for the same file. They are arz-general JavaScript. Okay, again, I'm using a task runner, get all these files, put it together, and here is my JavaScript general file. So basically, I have a general module, which depends header and footer. I'm passing this dependence as on my callback function, and here inside my callback function, I'm creating it. Nice. What does it mean? Basically means when I call my general module, automatically I will be calling header and footer. Okay, nice. I have one way to load, but anyway, I need to put this in some place. So now our required solution, our required function is a little bit different, but quite simple to understand. I'm loading general module. This module is loading header and footer, and then I'm loading the specific module that I have in my page. So this way I can load different modules and also my common modules together. Okay? Nice. But we have problems with connection. So why not use CommonJ browserify instead of require.js? Yeah, because we cannot create a bundle with 3-4 megabytes and go customer, go client, take your 3G connection and yeah, be happy. No. So that's why we thought, man, we should think in small pieces. So if you take a look, if you're using React regularly, you find easily components in on that page. So we have, for example, this with this red border is the shipping component. We have here the voucher component, discounts. We have the cart items component. We have the help component. So our idea was, come on, we have all these JavaScript files, and we could just load these files when the user really needs, you know, click or hover in one of them. So this way we could, instead of loading 3 megabytes of JavaScript, you could load 100K, 200K. And how we could do this? Again, it's quite simple. And basically, we're using require.js with pure.js to resolve it. So, again, my config map. Here I have 2 new modules, module delivery and view delivery. Okay? This example is just with Backbone. Quite simple, but on GitHub you can see with Angular, because here we use Angular, and with React. Okay? React, yeah. So, the same thing, we have the same file, okay, but we have different modules, because we need this. So this example will be with Backbone, but anyway, you can use it with all of them. So, I will not explain all the details about Backbone, okay, but it's quite simple to understand this. We have a hash of events there, and basically, when the user clicks on A or Z delivery, we will call that function, get delivery. Okay? Nice. So, I already loaded this JavaScript file, okay, automatically, using my cart.js, cart body class, cart config map. And now, and I have this code there, okay? It's cart view. Nice. And now, when the user clicks on that link, I will execute this method. And this method will be responsible for basically require view delivery. And then, in its callback, execute this method directly. Yeah, it's horrible, you shouldn't do this, but it's just an example. Since we used React with Backbone, our solution was basically we fire events and React, oh yes, there is events happening, go ahead. Okay, it's this way that you can use Backbone with React. So, but okay, I don't know if you can see, but man, we're loading this JavaScript file, this module, just when the user click. And come on, we have a ridiculous pattern behind this called singleton that require.js uses. It means once the user clicked on that link, if they clicks again, doesn't matter, never will be loaded again, because you already have this instance created. So this way, we just load these small pieces when the user definitely needs that piece. So this was our better idea to deliver content on demand using JavaScript and require.js. Sure, you can do this using Webpack. Here at Backbase, we have a similar solution with callbacks. So yeah, you have the general bundle, and then you have a callback function that loads another bundle and another bundle. Yes, it's similar. I prefer the required way, but doesn't matter. It's just a tool. So just for you know, yeah, this is the file that was loaded. Okay, just a view. And the view just does, you know, this. Okay? Yeah, I like Angular. I didn't like when I was in Brazil, but now I have to like. I'm here and work with Angular. So, yeah, don't stop. Okay? Again, we can do this in all pieces of our application. I don't know if it makes sense here in Europe, because our connection in Amsterdam is, come on, 100 megabytes to download and 50 megabytes to upload. But yes, for Brazil, for India, if you go there, you see, yeah, we need this kind of care, you know. So, some idea, you could do this, for example, with your vendor JavaScript file to decrease the number of requests. Instead of, you know, loading jQuery, Backbone, React, okay, you need this every time. So, yeah, create a bundle. That's why you can use Browserify together or Webpack. And just load once. Another piece of the code, you know, the mini card, the voucher area. So this way, you can deliver the content on demand just with JavaScript. As I told you before, guys, we did a lot of things, you know, because we had different guys from different areas thinking in ways to deliver this content faster. Okay, but this was one way, just using JavaScript and Hyper.js to do this. And that's it. Thanks.